Welcome back to another video. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would know recently it was my birthday. Yeah, I'm 18 now. So I don't really know what else to say, but yeah, I'm 18 now, and we are actually going on a ride today. This is a new shirt that I got for my birthday. I got a lot of new stuff. Well, I got a lot of new gear for my birthday, which is really exciting. I got a new armor jacket. I got this riding shirt. I got some new gloves, which I'm actually going to break in today. And with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. And for the ride today, I'm excited because I think, well, I'm going on the Ducati, but a friend of ours might be riding the Harley, which means my dad is probably going to be riding the Ducati Panigale V4R, which is very exciting because me and him are both going to be on Ducatis, father and son, cruising around. I think that's what's going to happen. If not, I'm going to double check and I'll get back to you. But right now, I have to get the bikes out, get them ready, get them all warmed up, because it is 5:23 and we have to be there at 6. So we gotta go. Alright, we got the GoPro set up on the Ducati, and actually these are new, both of these. My girlfriend actually got them for me. They are basically sweatbands, more or less, but for the clutch fluid and the brake fluid. I lost my train of thought there, but yeah, clutch and brake fluid. Keep the fluids warm so they don't get all hard and chunky and I can't brake or switch gears. And yeah, it's gonna keep me safe, especially when it's sitting over the winter. It'll keep the fluids all warm, so it's not all hard when we get back into the riding season next year. But yeah, that's all set up. Gotta get the Harley ready, gotta get it unplugged, and I think we should be good to go. Yes, it has been confirmed. My dad is riding the V4R. I'm riding the 848. Let's get them. Well, let's get our motorcycles out, the 848 and the Harley, and let's head on over there, pick up the V4R, and let's get on with this ride. I hope you're excited, because I am definitely excited. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, that's a lot of glare. And let's get on. Let's go. Like the same size?
Same brand.
Oh, brand.
This thing feels sticky as fuck. Now it's fucking raining. The rain when you touch it right now, you touch that one. This one feels real fucking.
If they're stock, then they're Pirellis.